had big red spots on the surface. They touched it first. Need to leave the zone immediately. 5 minutes past more than 200. Civil authorities have issued an emergency action notification for the following counties, United States. These roaches have been spreading to other USA counties. These methods they have used were 1. High winds. 2. Discovery of their flying ability. These roaches are extremely dangerous as they have gotten a disease that now has a smallpox-type disease. If civil authorities have issued a contagious disease warning for the following counties, United States. The smallpox-type disease is called Roach smallpox disease with a 70% chance of death. If you are lucky enough, you can get the Roach chickenpox disease, which has only a 3% chance of death. Even if you get these diseases, don't underestimate them. The following symptoms are presented in people who have gotten the diseases. Roach smallpox disease, red spots all over your skin, fungus on the back, hostile behavior. If you believe you have this disease, call 911. Symptoms for the Roach chickenpox disease are red spots all over the skin, fungus on both legs. In rare cases only one leg has fungus, and in even rarer cases none has it, so that's why you have to seek treatment even if you have common chickenpox. And hostile behavior. If you think you have this disease, call 911. Even if you think it's a common chickenpox, visit your doctor as soon as possible to check if it really is common chickenpox or one of these two diseases. Civil authorities have issued a food contamination warning for Idaho and Montana. Recently it has been discovered these roaches have been sneaking into restaurants, gas stations, shops, malls and fridge storage food establishments. We know this is disgusting, but these roaches are defecating into these foods. The reason these warning was issued is because their feces isn't visible at all. This has made the Roach smallpox chickenpox disease to spread even more. 2 hours ago, we were at 40 cases in all USA, but because of this it has expanded to 238 infected people. We would recommend microwaving your foods before you eat the food. Because these feces can be cleaned and killed by microwaving or boiling them, depends on if it is water or food, you will be redirected to your normal programming soon. The National Weather Service has issued a high wind warning for Arizona and New Mexico. These states are in the states with more cases. Arizona in second place and New Mexico in first place. These states have 68% of all the cases in the United States. Winds are up to 60 miles an hour. These winds are coming from the south, which means these roaches can go flying to all West USA. Please take Civil authorities have issued a shelter-in-place warning, starting 10:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. All residents of Southwest, Southeast and Midwest USA should stay in their homes and don't go outside. These roaches are now flying towards these regions. If you are outdoors, go indoors. If you are not in these states, you should still stay indoors. Civil authorities decided to apply the new rule, which states that all these regions should shelter in place immediately. Roaches are on high levels in these areas. If you spot any green-looking roach, do not interact with it. Lock all doors and windows. Put tape over cracks on windows and doors. Turn off all air conditioning if you are on the Southwest, Southeast and Midwest USA. If you have a fireplace in your home, cover it. If you are not in these regions, still you need to follow the steps. There should be a massive roach invasion in the Southwest, Southeast and Midwest regions of USA. It's estimated it will come at approximately 11:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. If you are outdoors, Go indoors immediately. Take the 11:40 p.m. rule really seriously, as these roaches may come earlier or late. Stay indoors. The roach prevention program will come at 11 p.m. If you are outdoors, go indoors. If you are indoors, stay indoors. If you have pets, bring them inside. Tell neighbors and relatives about this emergency. USA borders have now closed to stop the spread of both roaches and the disease. You will be redirected to your normal programming soon.
Esse é o seu sistema de emergência brasileiro. Às 19h12, várias baratas foram vistas sobrevoando o céu de São Paulo. Fique em casa e não saia. Se você tem um animal de estimação como um cachorro ou gato, coloque isso dentro. Evite essas áreas da sua casa, quintal da frente de sua casa e quintal de sua casa. Essas baratas têm uma doença ainda desconhecida pelo governo brasileiro. Se você estiver fora, entre. Se você estiver dentro, fique dentro para sua própria segurança e para os outros. E repetimos isso: fique em casa e, se estiver lá fora, entre agora mesmo. Isso não é um teste. Fique em suas casas. Foi comunicado pelo governo norte-americano para nos alertar sobre o grande perigo que os estados mencionados estão correndo. Fique em casa. Não deixe suas casas por qualquer motivo. Siga as ordens dadas pelo governo brasileiro.
Bulletin: EAS activation requested. Law enforcement warning. Emergency management relayed by National Weather Service. Grand Rapids, mile 1030 p.m. EDT, Saturday, September 29, 2012. The following message is transmitted at the request of the emergency management. Residents of Florida must all lock their doors and windows. 3 inmates have escaped their facility. Due to all of this roach commotion, guards have started not focusing on their inmates. 3 inmates have escaped their facility. One is white male, 5 foot 6 inches tall, with brown hair, brown eyes, and a piercing in his nose. The other one is white female, 5 foot 7 inches tall, black hair, green eyes, and an injury in their face. The third one is white male, 5 foot 2 inches tall, blue hair, brown-eyed eyes, and an injury in their hand. All residents of Florida must lock all doors and windows. These inmates have been spotted trying to break into homes. Lock all doors and windows. If you have any information about these inmates, call 231-869-5288. $. This is a quick EAS warning about a dust storm warning for Arizona. This dust storm carries the now-named blood roaches. If you are in Arizona, close your windows and doors and lock them. Put tape over cracks on doors and windows. Stay indoors and follow the protocol. $. Civil authorities issued a 911 telephone outage emergency.